stay there. Alright, grab the camera, let's go.
Let me see.
Yeah, will you do? So I'm back out here looking over some stuff after I did those sick ass burnouts, and I got an oil leak that I keep seeing. It keeps coming after I clean it on the engine, and then the calipers. I put some new rotors on, and I noticed my calipers keep leaking in the same spot. They keep getting wet, so I got some other calipers that I want to rebuild and put on anyway. So that's what I'm gonna do, is address both these leaks here in this video. All this wet spot here is what I'm talking about. It's leaking somewhere behind the cover here. So I'm going to take the cover off. I got to take the pulley off and everything to get to it and see what's going on. But that's what I'm going to do here and try and figure out what this leak is. Well, looks like the leak is coming from higher, and I got both covers off, but there's another cover here behind the cam gear. You see the 10mm there, and another 10mm back there on that other plastic cover. I'm gonna try to pull that off. I'm thinking it's probably the seal on the cam there, and yep, that's what I think it is. Well, just like I suspected, camshaft seal. Well, I went to O'Reilly Auto Parts, and surprisingly they had the seal in stock. I also ordered some tie rods that I forgot about that were there, so I got those. And I'm going to slap the new tie rods on because the old ones are bad. And I'm going to try to adjust my alignment because my steering is real sideways right now. So I'll show you what I got. Here's the seal. It's a regular old camshaft seal. It's a little different than the one that's there. I'm going to try to get it out while it's still in there like that. I got a little trick I do to remove seals. Hopefully it works. Here's one of the old tie rods. Now, I'm not gonna say I was running it like that, but I had a energy suspension cup. It's actually over here. I had those cups on there with some grease, so that's pretty much why my steering was really sloppy. So I got these new ones here. Pull one of these bad boys out. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a lot better. Yeah, I don't know where it was leaking from. You can see I put silicone around it before. Now, with my luck, it was probably the valve cover leaking here, but that's an easy fix. At least I can be sure I changed this and it's not leaking anymore. Because it awfully sure did look like it was leaking there. So I got these other brake calipers here that I sandblasted a long time ago. They've just been sitting for a while. I'm going to clean them up. I never took the pistons out. I got new seals and bolts and everything to rebuild them, but I do want to get them painted before I put them all together and put them on the car. So I'm going to show you guys the process here. Well, that's pretty much it for disassembly. I'm going to clean up the board, probably tape it off. I'm going to get them powder coated and then I'll show the reassembly. So I don't know if it's going to be in this video or the next one, but stay tuned.